Many people prefer to eat fast food and preserves rich in fats and carbohydrates all the time, which ultimately leads to a feeling of laziness and lack of movement and thus weight gain, accompanied by the accumulation of fat in the abdomen and thus the emergence of the so-called rumen, which causes various health problems. On the other hand, feeling embarrassed and forced to wear white and dark clothes to hide it, but to no avail. And to treat this problem, a report published on the site Times of India Times indicated some natural recipes that can be prepared at home and help to lose stomach, which we will learn about in the next. Natural recipes to lose stomach. A person suffers from the accumulation of fat in the abdominal area as a result of excessive eating fatty meals and lack of exercise, which helps to burn body fat and get a slim body. So it is advised to follow some natural recipes for slimming that help get rid of the abdomen, such as drink warm water with lemon at the beginning of the day. It is considered the best and simplest way to lose stomach is to add some lemon drops to warm water, or replace lemon with a teaspoon of honey, and drink water on an empty stomach when waking up from sleep, which helps to dissolve belly fat when regular practice this habit on a daily basis. 2. Chew raw garlic in the morning. It is also recommended to take a pill or two of garlic or more if a person can bear the taste and chew on waking up in the morning, and it is advised to start chewing one pill on the first day with an increase in the number of pills after that, until it becomes a daily habit, and the expected positive result is a slimming of the abdomen. 3. Drink cumin seeds in the morning. Another natural recipe that helps lose belly is also recommended, which is to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and boil it in water, and eat it when the water is warm, and follow this recipe on a daily basis, which helps get rid of belly fat. 4. Eat whole grains. Whole grains contain many health benefits because they are rich in nutrients that the human body needs from protein and calcium, and they are easy to digest, so they do not cause problems in the digestive system, and they help get rid of belly fat. So it is preferable to replace refined flour with whole grains because it is unhealthy and can hinder the digestive process. 5. Avoid chemical sugar. Fruits contain sugar in its natural form that the body needs, unlike sweets, ice cream, sugary and fizzy drinks, and the like. It contains chemical sugar that causes an increase in body fat and thus the abdomen and thighs, so it is preferable to avoid chemical sugar and eat fruits. 6. Drink water throughout the day. Drinking water helps get rid of excess body fat and thus the abdomen, so it is recommended to drink at least 8 cups of water a day to get a positive result, which is a feeling of satiety for a long period of time, thus losing excess body weight and fat accumulated around the abdomen, and getting excellent fitness. 7. Eat vegetables and fruits. It is preferable to replace fast food packed with dishes of vegetables and fruits that contain dietary fibers that help improve the digestive process, in addition to obtaining the nutrients that the body needs from vitamins, protein and minerals, so it is preferable to eat them on a daily basis, which also helps to feel full for a long period of time, thus losing excess body weight and thus losing abdominal fat. 8. Drink green tea or jasmine. It is also recommended to drink green tea, jasmine, cinnamon, or any drink flavored with natural spices, which contain a high percentage of antioxidants and trace amounts of many other vitamins and minerals, which help to lose stomach. In the end, we wish you good health. Do not forget to subscribe. Peace.